This day, we would like to welcome you all to the PLTCI College of Medicine White Coat Ceremony, Thanksgiving, and Consecration Service.
Come, let's find a place where we can get away.
We are here in PLT College Incorporated, in the College of Medicine, to fulfill your dream of being a healer, being a compassionate doctor. Once you started your profession, you are there to help those who are in need, particularly those who are less in life. I hope that the passion is greater than the compensation.
The story's just begun. The story's just begun. There's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun.
This event is a turning point in your lives as you put on the white coat for the first time, symbolizing your dedication to the great profession of medicine.
Just one look in your eyes, I know everything will be alright. The future is bright. Hold on tight. The story's just
The white coat is more than just a piece of clothing. It symbolizes a history of excellence, compassion, and dedication. It represents the faith that patients will place in you, the responsibility you will bear, and the ethical standards you will maintain. It functions as a reminder of the values that guide the healthcare workers, which are empathy, integrity, and a never-ending search of knowledge.
This is a story. It is yours and it is mine. There's joy in the morning. The future is bright. The story is just
In your situation, you are now above normal or beyond normal. Hindi na kayo katulad noong mga katulad namin. But you are now beyond that. But remember this, God is still the greatest of all. He is powerful, He is present everywhere, and He knows everything more than what we have.
Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
So I wish you good luck. Congratulations again, parents. Without your parents, you cannot be witnessing this coating ceremony and the graduation this afternoon. So again, good luck, congratulations, graduates, and mabuhay kayo lahat.
To my colleagues, whatever your plans for the future, always remember this verse, Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight.
Our story
Congratulations to our 33 graduates. I'm very proud of you. We will support you in all your undertakings and we'll see to it that you will have a successful and happy and wonderful life.
Medicine is just a career. It is a calling, a commitment to serve humanity with compassion, skill, and integrity. To aspiring students, come enroll at PLTCI College of Medicine, where every voice is valued. Let's fulfill your aspirations, dreams, and together let's contribute meaningfully to the well-being of others.
It's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here.
Marami pang kulang na espesyalista sa Nueva Vizcaya, kaya kung kayo po ay ito itinakbo o nagkaroon ng pamilya sa R2TMC at ang sagot namin ilipat po natin sa ibang hospital, it's because maraming kakulangan ang Nueva Vizcaya ng mga espesyalista. And maybe this is where the graduates of PLTCI can fill in. So to the graduates of 2024, congratulations.
Our story starts here. Our story starts right
This is the gift that you can give to your parents, and this is the honor that you can give to your alma mater. Top the board examination, so I pray for you and I wish you well. Congratulations for having chosen a very noble course. God bless you all.
Wala masyadong mabagal, wala may pilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami mitis. Hingang malalim lang at tamaan, ikay may hawak ng iyong ba. Wala masyadong mabagal, wala mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami mitis.
By the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of PLT College Incorporated and Commission on Higher Education, I hereby confirm you graduates of PLT College of Medicine. Congratulations.
Buhay ay di ka